يا أيها الناس يا أيها الناس.
Why don't you understand? Ayyuhan-Nās,
Look at the starry sky.
Allah is the best designer.
Every star is a sign.
Every shimmer speaks of Him. Allah is the best designer in every light and every line.
Ya Ayyuhan-Nās,
Open your eyes,
open your heart.
reflect and understand.
Ya Ayyuhan-Nās,
From a tiny drop, He created you. He fashioned your face with beauty. He gave you life with perfect wisdom. Praise the Lord of all worlds.
Ya Ayyuhan-Nās,
Every breath is His mercy.
every blessing comes from Allah.
Reflect and understand.
Ya Ayyuhan-Nās,
Look at the trees, they bear abundant fruits. They give us shade and warmth.
every leaf is a sign.
Ya Ayyuhan-Nās,
Look at the camels,
see the milk Allah provides.
a mercy for mankind.
A blessing from the most merciful.
Ya Ayyuhan-Nās,
Look at the heavens,
look at the earth.
look within yourself.
Allah is the best designer. Allah is the most wise.
To Him belongs all praise. Return to your Lord.
Ya Ayyuhan-Nās,